decided after the quarantine in the coronavirus to do a 2-day holiday break, and we will go to the Wachau. It's a very nice area in Austria where the river Danube is, and we will visit my parents there. So we make an Airstream trip. We are only allowed to go 80 kilometers per hour, so the trucks are faster. This is the beginning of the Wachau. There are a lot of bridges here in Krems. It's yours, no? Looks a little bit narrow with the Airstream. After we had found a place to leave the Airstream, we decided to visit a place near Dürnstein. This is one of the most famous points in the Wachau. It's called Dürnstein. Yeah, it's a World Heritage. It's a very nice place to be. My home country, where I come from. A side arm of the river Danube. Of course I wanted to jump in the cold water of the river, and Lou joined me. During our walk we discovered a small snake. But no problem, it wasn't a dangerous one. The next day we started with the workout. Did our workout, well, our morning workout, and now we'll go to the art studio of my father in Stein. It's a part of Krems. Lou is a little bit tired, I think, because she was running a little bit. And Sue is in the bathroom doing her morning finish, beauty. Are you ready to rock? Lou, are you ready? Every time when we are in Krems, we visit the art studio of my father to see what he is working on. The new object.
Ja, das ist ja das Lustigste zur Zeit, aber ich habe gerade da was gekriegt. Das ist zum
For fitness training.
Ja, genau.
Art kettlebell. And now I have to ask Sue which building is over there. You know it?
Yeah, it's our wedding station.
It's our wedding station where we said yes 20 years ago.
Hallelujah.
Later we went all together to a vineyard in Kamptal to taste and buy some wine. Das ist der Weinzapfel.
Das ist der gute Weiße, oder?
Wo bist du noch?
Ja,
komm hinauf.
Sicher. Nur vom Besten.
Soll ich weggehen?
Of course we bought some boxes. And this is the place where the wine is made. The vineyards of Campdal. This is a sculpture which my dad made. It's special for the wine because the iron things which are here inside is the material which the people use to fix the wine grapes. It's a monument for the wine farmers here. It's a very nice place. Later, we visited another winery near Dürnstein. Lou, are you ready for the morning run? Yeah. We are back from running, and today it's Mother's Day, so I have to make a breakfast for my mom. On our way back home, Wachau. Subscribe to our channel and follow our Airstream adventure during the next month, and see you soon on Pinkrambutan.com.